7. Tips how to get rid of double chin. A double chin, also known as submental fat, is a common condition that occurs when a layer of fat forms below your chin. A double chin is often associated with weight gain, but you don't have to be overweight to have one. Number 1. Exercises that target a double chin. While there's no scientific evidence that chin exercises work to get rid of your double chin, there's anecdotal evidence. Exercises that may help strengthen and tone the muscles and skin in the area of your double chin. Unless otherwise indicated, repeat each exercise daily 10 to 15 times. Number 2. Decreasing a double chin through diet and exercise. If your double chin is due to weight gain, losing weight may make it smaller or get rid of it. The best way to lose weight is to eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly. Number 3. Treatments for a double chin. If your double chin is caused by genetics, tightening up the area with exercise may help. It's unclear whether weight loss will help. Treatments like face masks, diet, surgery that can help you to get rid of double chin. Number 4. Apply serum and moisturizer correctly. It's important to ensure you are applying your face serum and moisturizer to your neck using an upward sweeping motion. If your usual product is formulated to increase collagen production, then this might help. If you're already doing this and your double chin isn't budging, then it's worth incorporating some products into your routine that zero in on this specific area. Number 5. Use a handheld massage tool. For a more long-term result at home, the handheld tool massages the area and drives the product deep down into the skin. The serum contains hematite extract to boost collagen production and goldenrod extract to shield the skin from free radicals that can weaken the skin over time. Number 6. The ball squeeze. Keeping an exercise tool on hand is an excellent way to help some people remember to do their exercises. For neck exercises, it may help to keep a ball somewhere near the desk, bed, or in a place where a person will do the exercises. The size of the ball can range from 5 to 10 inches based on personal comfort and should be easy to squeeze. Number 7. The pouting stretch. Another effective way to target the muscles in the chin and neck is to do a pouting stretch. Standing or seated, stick the bottom lip out as far as possible to form a pouting face. Hold the position for 3 seconds. With the lip still in full pout, use the muscles of the neck to tilt the chin towards the chest without moving the upper back. These techniques are very simple and easy to do. You can get rid of double chin by following these ways.